Are you tired of layering 5 different styling products only to end up with weighed down hair and frizzy curls? What if I told you I can help you simplify your routine and get you bouncy defined curls with just one product? I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step in a method what I like to call the creamy curl method. Want to learn how to use a hair cream as a one and done in your styling routine? Then keep watching. Any stylers can work on hair that's hydrated and deeply moisturized. Hold the phone. I just used two of the most confusing terms in the curly hair community: hydration and moisture. Now, let me break it down quite simply. Hydration refers to water, and moisture refers to, say, oils. So, when we talk about this in the curly hair community, hydration means the ability of your hair to absorb water and how well it retains it. And moisture, when we talk about curly hair community, is like oil that sits on top. So moisture is like using hair products that seal and protect your cuticle, the outer layer of your hair, and keeps the water that's inside of your hair, it prevents it from evaporating quickly. Okay, let's continue with the tutorial. I like to cleanse and deep condition my hair before I go in with this kind of risky styling. Because curl creams are thick and moisturizing, they work best on clean hair. If there's buildup from old products or heavy oils, curls won't absorb the cream properly. Let me go rinse this out. Think of it like painting. Your curls is the canvas, and the curl cream or your hair products are the paint. The canvas needs to be clean and smooth for the best outcome. Okay, let's continue. Everybody knows you want to style your hair on soaking wet hair. Now, this is a step that most people skip, but it's so important. Curl creams don't magically add moisture. So if you've deeply cleansed your hair with a nice strong shampoo, your hair is going to be dry. So if you apply curl cream right after it, it's not going to moisturize completely. The curl cream will struggle to work its magic. That's why I recommend using a deep conditioner or a protein mask depending on your hair type right after you use a strong shampoo to remove that buildup, especially if your curls need strength and hydration. The idea is to trap the water. Now here's the fun part, the styling. This is where I see the biggest mistake that people make: too much curl cream. And you really don't have to be heavy-handed with your curl cream because curl creams are thick already. They can be deeply intense and moisturizing for your hair. So you don't want to do too much. You do not need to section your hair in 10 parts and apply cream everywhere. If you have dense hair, 2 sections is max enough. Make sure to emulsify and spread it all over your hair. Apply a tiny amount, smooth it down, and then proceed to style in your preferred styling method. Styling can be done in finger coils or using a brush or just using your fingers to spread the curl cream evenly all throughout your hair. Once you've applied the curl cream, now it's time to style your hair. You can do whatever you want. Let me show you what I do to my curls. You really don't have to do this if you have back problems. But doing it this way gives me more volume. Whatever thoughts that are going on in your head, I want you to know this is completely optional. You may have a finer hair type or easier curl type, looser curl type than mine, and brush styling this way can actually stretch your curls out. Or if you have really low density hair, brushing can kill the volume. I'm doing this because I have thick and coarse hair that needs finger coiling, and I don't have finger coiling time at this time. So brush styling helps me just save time. It speeds up the styling routine than compared to a whole finger coiling routine.
You don't have to do this unless you want to.
Of course, sectioning hair will help you be more organized. But if you don't have time, you can just eyeball everything. Once you've styled your hair, take a little bit more cream and scrunch it in.
Remember, this is not a rule. I'm showing you what works for my hair. So you can skip this step if you want to. You don't have to scrunch this much if you want to.
This should reinforce all the styling that you did.
This may seem like a lot of scrunching business, and it's a good workout, I must say that. But this kind of thing helps you reinforce the curl pattern. And don't worry, you've already brushed your hair. There are no tangles at this point. Tangles are from a lack of moisture. And remember, we use the cream to add moisture.
Now, if you have really thick, coarse hair like mine, and if you've used cream, then you know that your coarse hair needs a bit of time to absorb the hair products. So, incoming, a plastic shower cap.
Don't be in a hurry to bring your towel or a t-shirt out at this point.
Wet plop for a few minutes to let your hair absorb the products. Do you see, it's not just the products, but it's also the techniques of how you style your hair, what you do before and after you style your hair. It's little things like this that help you minimize and simplify your styling routine. You can hair dry or diffuse. I like to diffuse dry for more volume. You see, healthy hair doesn't need a lot of products. And if you want to simplify your styling routine, you want to start with the cleansing routine first. If you want soft, touchable, natural looking curls, then do less.
Let's talk about the Curl Supreme 4-in-1 Hydrating Cream. It does 4 things. It hydrates, strengthens, protects, and styles. It helps create these moisturized and defined curls with soft hold. It has botanical ingredients and natural oils like apricot oil, coconut oil, marshmallow root extract, which gives it the slip. It has tomato extract and amino acids. That means it also has a little bit of protein in this cream. I recommend this cream for color treated hair, especially if you have bleach hair. Except for the top, maybe 2 to 4 inches of my hair, the rest of my hair is color treated. I colored my hair on a whim last year in June, but now I'm gone back to natural. The point is that this cream I recommend for color treated hair. It really gives you that slip, because color treated hair can be so dry and brittle, right? So, and you need a cream, right? Or you need a product that helps you detangle your dry brittle hair. That's when this kind of a cream comes in. I don't recommend this for extremely fine hair or low density hair, because if you have hair like that, then a heavy cream like this, heavy as in a dense cream like this, may weigh it down. So if you have about medium to thick hair, which is color treated, even bleached, you need this. These are my results. Day 1 on wash day. Hair with body, volume, shine, definition, everything on day 1. By day 3, it started looking very natural, like it didn't have any crust, it didn't have any cast, nothing. It was just really soft, natural looking hair, which is perfect for hairstyles. And my scalp felt very light, clean, and I was really digging this natural look. Except I had to go to church, and I wanted to look more, I wanted my curls to look fresh. So I did a quick refresh, because look what happens to my hair when I tie it up. It stretches out the top portion, so there are no curls in the top area of my hair. And if I want to tie it up, it gives me a headache. So I can't do these hairstyles for very long time. And if you're like me, you don't like tight hairstyles, you don't want to tie your hair for too long because it gives you headaches, you want to leave your hair open and also want it to look nice and fresh, not stretched out, but at the same time you have to go. You have no time to rewash or restyle. You can just refresh. Here's the link to watch my refresh video. I show you 8 different ways to do it, and you can also look at the link in my description. On this hair that was partly moisturized but only needed definition, I just scrunched in some gel and mousse directly into my hair and I diffuse. So you can see there are some crunchy bits. It doesn't look soft anymore, but these are fresh curls that I can go out with, and it's not going to look frazzled. I can leave it and it's not stretched out anymore. All the curls are back. So you see, one and done routines are kind of temporary. It won't give you a week long worth of hair. If you want hair that lasts for a week, then you want to use stronger stylers. But a cream can give you natural looking hair, easy maintenance, easy styling, simple routines. That's what I'm here for. And if you love simple routines too, and if you want help to simplify your routine, you can book my one-on-one consultation.
So that's my creamy curl method. A effortless, simple, one product routine to give you soft, defined curls. Have you tried it before? And have you ever used the Curl Supreme cream before? Let me know in the comments. And if you want the full list of my favorite curl creams, then check out the links in description. And I'll see you next Sunday.
Sounds like so much.
Yeah, but see, you have the bottom layer, right? So it can never go shorter than that. So
Wow.
it's nice, looking very good. Now half of this.
Um,
Yeah,
Take that.
yeah.
Sounds like so much.
Yeah, but see, you have the bottom layer, right? So it can never go shorter than that. So
Wow.
it's nice, looking very good. Now half of this.